everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.
Giving you guys a quick update with the West Orange property. I ended up not going with Rick, who was initially giving me the crazy amount just to demo this property for me. He wanted $2,500. So I ended up going with my contractor that is doing the actual work over here. Okay, let's see. So they started the demolition. Look, they started taking down they took the carpet out, which is good. Ooh, look at this. I haven't been here. So over here, because this is a townhome, they had some type of cement over the plywood, which helps. Like, let's say there's ever a fire, it will help to, I guess, keep the fire from going up, damaging this level. That's what this cement flooring was for. They took it down. It's not mandatory, but you know, anything helps. So this is the piping. I'm assuming this is for the bathroom, or maybe a water heater that's over here. Look at this mold. See? This is why I like to demo everything when I buy these projects, because you never know what you're doing, right? You never know what you're gonna get. Look at how much mold is back here. So this used to be the kitchen that I just demoed. And of course, all of this is gonna come out. We're gonna put new insulation here. I'm gonna do an island over here, so the sink is no longer gonna be here. I'm gonna put the sink in the island with the dishwasher. It's a mess. Careful. You got the bathroom. The half bath is still over here. Be careful, They play no games over here. Okay. Nice. So all of this subfloor, this is like a sub-cement flooring that they have here. This is all coming out, and we're gonna put some type of another flooring down before I put the wood floors on here. This is good though. They really did a good job. It was fast. Taking down the carpet. This is good. I hate carpet. Oh man, he's got a demo and everything, huh? Yeah, it is good. Come baby, stop it. All right, so this is the second level. They started ripping off out the carpet here. Look at the bathroom, okay. This is gonna be a huge bathroom. So what I plan on doing in this bathroom is, right now the toilet is here. What I'm gonna do is move the toilet to be over there. This is gonna be my shower area with a bench. I'm gonna have a steam shower room. And then right here is gonna be my double vanity. So they're gonna have to do some more plumbing on this side again. And I'm closing this off because this is all going to be part of my walk-in closet back here. This is gonna be really nice. I can't wait to really finish this. So this wall, I'm gonna extend it out to here, put a door, and you're gonna have the big walk-in closet. I'm gonna have some built shelves over here. My fireplace is still there. changing these windows. It's gonna be my shoe closet because I got a lot of shoes. So all the shoes gonna be in there. Yep, they started doing their thing. They're gonna be framing, I believe, on Tuesday over here. See, I bought all the materials already for the electricity. You can see they started doing the recessed lights up here too. My crew plays no games. We got the second bedroom here. Okay. Alrighty. Nice. This is gonna be it's the second bathroom here. So my architect actually was saying this bathroom is long. So I guess what we're gonna do is put the tub here, toilet here, and maybe move this over so that the vanity could be a little smaller, so the vanity won't be as big, and do a closet over here, like a linen closet for this bedroom. Put a door here for this big walk-in closet. So I'm gonna have each of the rooms have their own walk-in closet. I love a big closet, so it actually works perfectly. This is good. Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. So hopefully all the demolition will be done by Tuesday so that they can start doing my framing for me. Once they start the framing, then I gotta start buying materials for my bathroom. I already placed the order for the wood floors that I'm gonna get. So this thing is gonna be moving pretty quickly, hoping it'll be completed within the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'm thinking. Guys, thank you so much for following She Hustles. I appreciate you guys liking, sharing, and make sure you stay subscribing so you can see the next update of what I'm gonna do over here. You guys are going to love it. Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah,